To measure the length of a segment, tap the Length tool. A preview appears of a segment and its length. The segment is glowing. Tap or drag to place it. I want to measure the length of AB, so I'll tap AB to attach the segments. My tool is complete. As I drag point A, the length of AB is automatically updated. In this next example, I'd like to measure the length of CE. When I try, however, to attach the glowing segment to CE, I measure the length of segment CD instead. And that's because there's only a segment connecting points C and D in my sketch. But this is not a problem. I'll drag one endpoint of my glowing segment to attach it to point C. Now the other endpoint is glowing. I'll tap to attach it to point E. My tool is complete. I've measured the length of CE.